there are actors and there are celebrities that we all know. You know, we read about them, we talk about them, and then there are actors and celebrities who know you. So Ankur is an actor and celebrity that knows us, you know, because he's one of us. It's, you know, he's from Jersey City, and
Yep.
he's, you know, been associated with the local scene, the film scene, for the past about 10 years or so. I can comfortably say that. And I've had the good fortune of working with him in one commercial that we did for T India.
Actually, that was my
Second
first or
commercial.
second commercial that I
Second
did.
commercial.
Long way, man.
Yeah, yeah, it was pretty amazing. And, you know,
I
I've been
forgot what the brand was. It was for some
T
tea or
India.
something, right?
T
Yeah,
India.
tea.
Yeah. No, but I think, you know, when I look at your graph and I was reading up on it, you know, you've done well since 2010. You know, you started with Payal Sethi's Grant Street Shaving Company, which was a
Yes,
multi. Yeah.
Sonia, I think I realized long back that it's not gonna work part time.
Yeah.
That's where the difference between the other actors that you see here and me happened also because I took that leap. And it was very difficult for the first uh, I would say the first 3 years were nightmare because I'm married. I was having a great job here on Wall Street. So, to not get paid every month and you're used to getting that paycheck and you're doing something where pretty much everybody is against you on that tide because uh, age is not a factor. I went to Bombay when I was 29. Usually people, if you meet the general population in Bombay or even in LA, the usual population is 22, 23 have gotten out of the school and then they're pursuing a career. We have done something else and then trying something totally different, which is absolutely difficult in terms of chances. When they say right time, right place.
Do you think that an actor should ask the producer, not even the director, what their budget is? Because, you know, we never ask what the budget is, and that's the reason why we fall in the ditch that we always do. You know, I've done the
So
same thing.
I'll answer this question with 2 3 points. I think that's how I choose my projects now. It's first of all, you know, one thing that happened in New York, New Jersey is at that point of time is a lot of people call themselves actor and they say we are pursuing acting. First of all, we should all stop and are we really pursuing acting? Do we know how to act? But I knew I was 6 feet 4 inches tall. I knew I'm a good looking chap. Okay, I don't know acting. So I figured that out very quickly in my journey that okay, these are the things that um, I need to know. Like for example, I just saw Heather Sirs. He's there. He's the first guy I met for when I was becoming. I was thinking of becoming an actor, and I went to meet him somewhere in Jersey. And he had told me some of the things like if you want to be a star, everything matters. Your walk matters, the way you dress up, the way you talk to people. This is all. It's all personality building. And that meeting all these different people, I realized that okay, there's a lot more than what I perceive to become as an actor. And but I was ready to do these smaller parts to get to that bigger part. There was a goal.
So let me ask you this right now. You know, this with this Sushant Singh Rajput story going on, you know, it's all the more reason actors from the US, or, you know, actors who are in India right now who don't have a godfather, who don't have a, you know, an actor bloodline in them. For them, what is the hope? What do you think is the? I mean, you know, you and I spoke about this when you had just moved to Bombay, and I, you know, used to call you and ask you like, कि भाई क्या कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर, बता जरा, तुझे लगता है कुछ कर
And I
सकते हैं?
always told you be realistic, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I
You always told me not to, so I followed your advice. And one of the things, the good things that I did is I didn't give up my day job because of the fact that if I thought that, you know, I would be able to sustain myself with just the money that I made off of acting, then I would have
yeah,
stopped. That's for sure.
yeah, 100%. I for me also, if that luck is also a charm.
Correct.
It's a very big matter.
Yeah.
But what happens also, I mean, with luck and with my whatever how I look and my savings and everything, what I was a banker. It took me 7 8 years to reach where I
Yeah.
am. And last year I traveled. I was telling you, I traveled to India like 7 times. I was going back and forth. I'd done a show here in December called The Power for the Stars, and it's
Mm-hmm.
produced by Lionsgate. Then
Yeah.
I did a Hollywood film with all these Samrat and all, and I think Harvita was also in that film. Then I went back again to India to shoot this. Then I came back again. Now those guys are not paying for my ticket, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
This travel is all by sponsored by me. So luckily now I get paid enough to not these things don't matter. But you know, at one point of time they mattered a lot, because if I'm investing 4-5 lakhs in just travel for someone to give you a chance and hire you, they're not going to pay you for
Back
your
and forth.
availability every time, right?
Yeah.
But you have to somehow play that game where you are available to them as per as the contract and as per as they need you.
Hey, Ankur, this is Harbinder. Sorry, I
Hi
gotta run.
Arvinder, how are you?
Hey, how are you, man?
I keep seeing your comments here and there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Listen, I gotta run in a few minutes, unfortunately. But what was your role in Scrapper? I know you did some scenes in there. I was in there, but I saw your one shot that you had with holding the gun with the other characters.
Yeah, so basically I'm the Barry played a character, right? Samrat, and so I was Samrat's basically the sick guy who used to coordinate all these deals of from borders to here, and eventually my passport is with these guys, so that's why I was stuck there in that position.
Okay, all right. Looking forward to that.
Me too, man.
Oh, I'm looking forward to me also.
I have to look at you also.
All right, man. If I don't talk to you, it's good. Thanks for coming on, call. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll definitely meet up again soon.
Yes, 100%.
Thanks, Sonny. Appreciate it.
No problem, man. So, Ankur, back to the same thing. When you said that you were going to give up your cushy job on Wall Street and start your acting career, did you really have to work hard on convincing her that you will give up your 6-figure salary and move on?
So, I mean, I didn't have to. It was not like a one day of me sitting down and I mean, it was a 2-year frustrating period of me struggling to do these things every weekend. And then, I was newly married at that time. So, you have to go for dinner also, and you have to go out and venture out and do all those things. Then my parents would come from India. So for those 2 months, you have to do that also. So it was like the struggle is, that's the emotional struggle that you go.
So the question that Chetana is asking, and I think Chetana can ask herself. Chetana, you want to ask a question yourself?
Yes, sure.
Chetna doesn't want to.
Yeah. So hi.
Hi, Chetna.
So like my question is like, how do you even make that decision that you can leave up your job and just go pursue this career? Is it the passion that was in you? Because still, I mean, life has to go on, right? You need to work, and you are quite uncertain at certain point that whether you make it, whether you find jobs or.
I'll tell you one thing. When things were not happening also, I really thought it would happen. Yeah, I will make it. And I've always, if you see all the movies, you learn some or the other thing from every movie that you watch. Over the years, I developed myself with all these failures. I kept at it that, how is Randeep Hooda doing this thing? How is Nawazuddin performing there? How is, what are the, and it's not rocket science. It's just observation. As an actor, all you need to do is observe people around you. I mean, I learned something from the wife, something from the dad. I'm constantly observing, and I take things from here and there. My personality personally is not that interesting. I'm a very fun-loving, funny guy. But the parts I play, if you see Arya, you will see how fickle-minded this guy is, how notorious he is. I would probably think 10 times before doing a work.
So now, from what I read, from what you're saying, is that you encourage people to follow their dreams. So if they really believe in themselves, they should go to Bombay. I mean, Bombay is not like the land of the impossible. If it's
no, it is not, bro. I mean, and as an AA, you see so many people from US that I know that are there. That you just have to be honest. That's the only thing. If you can take 2 cents of advice from me, is be honest. Don't try to pretend to be a Bollywood star. You're not a Bollywood star. And most of the people out here, when I meet them, they'll pretend I'm an actor, I'm doing this film. Because, the way we start out here is by lying.
Yeah.
We start lying. Oh, I'm doing 3 short films, I'm doing 5 independent films. It doesn't matter. Stop doing that, because what you're doing is you're lying to others, and then you're believing that thing also, or some part of it, that I'm doing so much work.
I want to share a photo with everybody. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
Sai
Oh,
Kabir.
the Sai Kabir.
Yeah. Revolver
This was
Rani.
when?
This was in the year, let me actually look at the post. 14. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, this
Cool.
was, basically the time that we met outside. I think it was the School of Visual Arts or something in the city where they were screening Revolver Rani. And, we were there. So, I mean, the other thing I also wanted to tell you is that there are not too many people in Bombay who are going to help you. And that is firsthand experience. I mean, you are there, we can ask you. But again, there is a limit up to which people also help. So, just to give you my
But you don't
example.
need help, Sony. Why do you need help? Tell me something. If you don't have this
Introductions,
group
huh?
or something. No. But you don't get work through introductions. That I'll tell you one thing very bluntly right now. Like, for example, even if you know me, I mean, I know so many people in Bombay. I don't necessarily work with them. They don't. There are actors who are very big actors that are my friends. They've told me bluntly that I'm not gonna give you a name. I mean, I don't do that. Because what's happening is everybody has to fight their own way to that place. There's a casting process now. You have to go through a casting director. I mean, I'm telling you, Zanjeer I've done. Apurva Lakhe is a very good friend, one of my best friends in Bombay. I tested for Hasina Parker almost 13 or 14 times. I'd actually specially gone from here also once to test, and then the producer said, I don't want this person as the lead. Then I came back, and then the producer changed. Then things happened, and eventually I tested again. And by that time, Sarabjit happened. But if Sarabjit wouldn't have happened, he wouldn't be able to cast me, because eventually there is a say from the producer also. If you go with that attitude that I need to make contacts, and if I don't have to audition and all, then you will go in that wrong direction only. That's what happens there. That it's. And I have seen, I'll just give an example of an actress that I know. I was doing a Telugu film in Hyderabad, and this girl she had also come to do this movie from Bombay. And she told me, so I said, yeah, you are so pretty, very talented. Why are you doing Telugu? Why are you not doing? So she said, my thing is very simple. If by 1 year this movie things doesn't work out for me, I'm going to go for a TV show, and I'm going to do a lead in a TV, rather than doing smaller parts in movie and struggling for a couple of years. And I was like, dude, you're so good. You should wait it out. She's like, no, I'm giving it 1 year. And I used to meet her often. After 1 year, she didn't get any work. After 1 year, she left it. And then I was not in touch with her for 2-3 more years. And I did Sarabjit and all. And I was doing work. Suddenly, I start hearing she messaged me to meet somewhere. And then I realized that she has actually become a TV celebrity. She did a TV show on Zee, which did really good. Then she did a show on Star Plus, and then now she was doing Balaji. And right now, today, and she started with me. She's one of the biggest TV actors in India. All right. And she's got like some 7-8 million followers on Instagram. She has an agency. She's a brand name now. Her name is Jasmine Basim. I don't know if you know of her. She just came in Nagin. She's a very dear friend of mine, but she was very crystal clear.
It's golden nuggets, the information you're giving. I want to ask people, as we are getting close to the 1 hour mark, Haider, do you want to ask a question?
Hey,
Hey, Ankur, how are you, man?
I'm good.
Okay,
long time. Long time. I was telling these guys, you're the first guy also I met.
2007, okay?
Yeah.
2007.
I came all the way to meet you.
Question to you, Ankur, is, 13 years, I met you, and now I can proudly say that you arrived. I saw your show, okay? I saw your show. Fantastic performance of yours. The question to you is, telling the actors, because most of the actors, I have been working with, I have seen you right from the beginning 2007 till now. I mean, I have been in touch with you whenever I talk. So respectful you are. So my thing is, if you could advise, how you seriously manage this, because once you become a star, people have an attitude. Once you want to become an actor, people. I have seen.
Heather, I'll tell you, I I'd gone to that level when there is always somebody bigger than you.
Right.
This notion of I've arrived and I've become a star. So all your life we keep getting preached by people कि हिंदी में कहावत है ना, ऊपर चढ़ते वक्त किसी को आप गंदा मत ट्रीट करो, क्योंकि जब नीचे गिरते हो तो वही लोग हैं जो हेल्प कर सकते हैं. So if you're a Bollywood buff and you have seen some stars who have fallen down, like for example Mr. Bachchan had a very tough time.
Right.
Then he again came. A lot of people help you support. Like if I have a bad time and a bad streak for 2 years, there are a lot of people in Bombay who would help me get back, be it Apurva Lakhia, be it Bobby Deol, be it this, that, because they know that when I was there, I was still the same. For example, I can come to you for help and you will help me, because every Facebook message that you have done, I have replied you with Heather sir.
Yes.
No matter if I'm doing Hasina Parker, no matter if I'm doing Arya or whatever, and do that with every. But I made that my habit. That's what I said. Being honest.
I'd love to ask a question, Ankur.
Prerna, please, I can hear you. Hi.
First of all, congratulations on the success of Arya. I watched 3 episodes so far and I loved it.
Thank you.
Earlier you mentioned about being believable. So just a little compliment for you. We were watching with my younger one, and the first thing she said is, I don't like him. Why does he want to shoot his own Jiju? So you were very believable for sure.
Yeah. In fact, my real Jiju also called me and said that, dude, I'm scared to meet you now.
So my question, for you is, how was your experience working with Manish ji and with Sushmita? And what's next for you after the success of Arya?
So, see, working with Sushmita was, it's very interesting working with these actors, because they have all achieved a very big thing earlier in their lives. Like Sushmita Sen was Miss Universe. So I've always heard her. She's very well spoken. She's very well read. They're very intelligent actors. Now, it's very easy to, sometimes people say, I was acting nahi aati. When you're actually standing with them to share screen with them, their aura is very heavy. They long back someone told me that if a star is and I felt it also, then like for example, if Shah Rukh Khan is in the room, or if some big star is in the room, even if you don't know there's someone, you'll start feeling that there is someone big. Even if you don't know who that person is, you'll know that he means something. He has some weight to his personality, and that's what Sushmita Sen also is like. That is playing Arya is not. It's like almost 9 movies in one series. It's like 1 hour per episode, and it's one lead person taking it from scene 1 to the 9th episode to the ending.
Right.
So, and it's like my conflict in my relation is with Arya. Jawahar is probably with Arya. Tej is with Arya. Arya has conflicts in her character with literally everybody in the series. That's how the series is moving forward. So, to observe her dealing with everybody differently is also, and everybody has their process. So it's very interesting to observe them, how they deal with it. Like with me, right from day one, she started treating me like a brother. And now that I think back, it's because she wanted that chemistry of a brother and a sister to be on the screen. So she started joking with me. She started calling me Sangu, and all these little things. Unknowingly, you become a brother and sister. You become you're comfortable in putting your hands around her. She's comfortable in being and asking you about anything or sharing a food with you. That a brothers and sister do. Yes,
2
Siddharth.
questions. One is, now that you have acted in a series, and that seemed to be the future of a lot of acting world now in India also is happening.
Sure.
So how is that different from working in a series and a feature film? Number 2, how did Apurva become from a director to a friend? Just the progress. I mean, what happened?
Sure. So the first question, the web series is different because I'll tell you, last year I did 3 feature films, right? Now, feature films is a big deal. I mean, feature films require a theatrical release in order to be successful, right? As you Pretty much everybody knows that, unless and until they get onto Amazon or Netflix, which is very difficult also. But usually the ideal scenario for a film is to release in a theater. And there are so many bigger films in the market that are being released that, there's always that thing that which Friday should we release it? You can actually announce that, okay, I'm going to release it in December on that Friday. And suddenly in October, Shah Rukh Khan or Salman Khan or Ajay Devgan or some big star would say, well, my movie is coming on that Friday also. And your movie is basically then gone. Literally, it's washed out because nobody's going to see your movie against some big banner, big star movie. Web series has changed that thing. There are so many web series being made. There are so many OTT platforms. It's a quicker platform. So you shoot, it'll be post-production. It is going to be out. There are a lot of characters in web series because a movie is what, 1 hour and a half, 2 hours. This thing is 8-9 hours. So there are a lot of characters in there. So for people like you and me, there's a lot of opportunity because you're doing one project, then you can do some other. There's a lot of opportunities to play different characters. The second question is, I was very persistent especially with Apu. What happened was I added him on Facebook, messaged him, went to meet him in the festival, just like how me and you have probably met. And how did you and me become friends? Why did you bring a kheer for me when you saw me at a restaurant right in front? There was some kind of a bond that you don't do that for everyone, right? It's the same kind of thing. I met him, then I went to Bombay. Why that friendship became stronger because he really started seeing that I'm at it. Because Zanjeer didn't work out. Still, without money, I worked. Then he was like, okay, go to Hyderabad, meet these people if you want to do Telugu films, because I was getting offers for some Telugu work. I actually went to, so I would understand, learn, and follow.
Thank you, everybody. I think we've actually exceeded the time that we decided to do.
That's
this.
Okay, it's all friends.
But again, yeah, it is like almost like talking to my cousin in India. So there are no time limits.
No, Sony, I want to tell you, anybody who needs any kind of help on this group, especially these days, people are lost easily. People get demotivated by certain things. Anybody who has any questions, please feel free to reach out.
That's very generous of you. Most people wouldn't do that.
I'm part of that group. I'm really willing to help us.
I really appreciate it.
And I really mean it. A lot of people from this group has helped me. You, Heather, Siraj. Siraj got me an agent in US.
Within what? How many hours? 2 hours.
So but Siraj, tell people, have I ever not reached out to you whenever I needed? I am very open about reaching out to people. People should be open.
Yeah. So that's how
we will not help each other, how will it go?
Your karma will work. Be nice to people, it will work.
Exactly.
Simple
be honest. Be very honest with this thing. Don't make up stuff. Make up stuff on the resume.
Yeah. No, I wouldn't recommend it. I would not recommend it.
It's okay.
But again,
that is still okay.
I know. But again, man, Ankur, thank you so much. It was such a pleasure and such an honor.
Thanks, Sony.
It was a beautiful evening. And I think we will do this again very soon. And congratulations on Arya. Congratulations. I've heard very good things.
Thank you. Please watch it. Everybody who's here, do watch it.
I will definitely promote it again. So with that said, I wish you a good night and we will take your leave now.
Thank you. Thank you.